we're going to be working with so and me today. And when we sing so, we put our hand like this. Okay, we have our solfege hand signs. And when we put our hand like this, we put it for me. So we'll be a little bit higher, and then me is a little bit lower. Okay, so repeat after me. So, me, so, me. So, so, me, so, me. So, me, so. So, so, me, so, me. Great. Okay. Let's sing through Little Sally Walker, because then we're going to be figuring out a part of the song and figure out which parts are so's and which parts are me's. Okay? Little Sally Walker sitting in a saucer, crying and weeping and looking for a friend. Rise, Sally, rise, wipe your weeping eyes, turn to the east, turn to the west, turn to the one that you like the best. Okay? Good. We sang that a couple of times already when we were doing the activity a minute ago. We're going to be looking at the part of the song with turn to the east and turn to the west. Now, the way it is written for us here, it's just turn to the east, turn to the west. Okay? But we know that it doesn't quite sound like it should. Okay? When we sing it in the song, we heard turn to the east, turn to the west. Okay? So it starts off on so. It starts off a little bit higher. But what happens on the word to? Turn to the east, turn to the east. On to, does it stay up there? Turn to the east. That's not quite right. Okay. Which direction does it go? Does it go higher? Does it go lower? Okay. Let's try having it go lower. See how that works. Okay. Turn to the east. Okay. Does that work? I think that works. I think that's correct. So the first one, turn is a so, and then to is a me. Okay. What we have written now, though, is we have turn to the east, and it should be turn to the east. What do you think we got to do with the? Do we leave it? No. We need to do what? Move it down, make it lower. Okay? Turn to the east. That's what it's supposed to sound like. And this is what we have. Turn to the east. Is that good? Sounds good to me, right? East goes back up, goes higher, and it is at so. Good. Let's look at turn to the west. So we had turn to the east, and then we have turn to the west. Is that how we did it before? I don't think that's how we did it before. Okay. Turn to the west. Okay. What are we going to do with to? Again, what do you think we're going to do with to? Probably going to move it down to make it lower. So we're going to move it down to me. Okay. We've got the so on the top space, and we got the me on the bottom space. Turn to the west, turn to the west. Is that the on the right spot? Probably not. Turn to the, gotta bring it down. Okay, oops. So we had turn to the east, turn to the west. Okay, so we're going back and forth between so and me. So, me, so. So, me, so. Will you do that with me? So, me, so. So, me, so. Nice job.